Hello everyone, welcome to another topic in biochemistry nutrition. Today in the lectures of the vitamins, we are going to read about vitamin B5. The vitamin B5 we also call it as pantothenic acid. Let us discuss about various sources of the vitamin B5, that is pantothenic acid. So the dietary sources of the vitamin are egg yolk, liver, kidney, broccoli and milk. The other sources are chicken, potatoes and whole grains. And also the pantothenic acid is self-produced by the bacteria in the colon. So the chances of vitamin B5 deficiency is rare. And the main dietary source of pantothenic acid is in the form of coenzyme A. Let us now discuss about the various action and physiological functions of the pantothenic acid. So as I have already discussed, the main dietary source of pantothenic acid is in form of coenzyme A. So the coenzyme A plays crucial role in synthesis and degradation of the many molecules including vitamin A, vitamin D, cholesterol, steroids, heme, fatty acid, carbohydrates, amino acid and protein. The coenzyme A, the first step of TCA cycle, the coenzyme A binds with oxaloacetate to form citrate. Coenzyme A is also required for activation and inactivation of many peptide hormones such as adrenocorticotropic hormones. Now let us discuss about the various manifestation of vitamin B5 deficiency. So if there is deficiency of vitamin B5, there will be the dermatitis, enteritis, alopecia and adrenal insufficiency. Paresthesia and dysesthesias also occur. We call this as the burning feet syndrome. So what is the we don't say it as the recommended daily allowance because it is produced by the kidney. It is produced by bacteria in the colon. So we call it as adequate intake. So the adequate intake of vitamin B5 is 2 to 4 mg per day in the children and 5 mg per day for adult, male and female. So now I am going to give brief description of the metabolism of the B5. The coenzyme A is hydrolyzed in the small intestine and converted into the pantothenic acid, and it is absorbed in the jejunum. After the absorption in the jejunum, it is secreted in the blood by the sodium dependent transport system, and the cell uptake the pantothenic acid by the sodium dependent transport system too. So once inside the cell, the pantothenic acid undergo number of ATP dependent phosphorylation to become coenzyme A. So this metabolism you should understand very well. So generally the vitamin B5 pantothenic acid, there is no excess of the vitamin B5 because the pantothenic acid is hydrolyzed and excreted as cysteamine and pantothenate in the kidney. So we have discussed about the brief introduction of the pantothenic acid, various sources, the actions and the physiological function of the vitamin B5. What are the various manifestations that occur where there is deficiency of vitamin B5? The adequate intake, what should be the adequate intake? I also added a brief explanation about the metabolism of the B5. So this much for today. I hope you understood this lecture and enjoyed this lecture. Thank you.